Australia, a land of stark beauty, ancient landscapes and relentless extremes. The scorching sun beats down, parching the earth. Temperatures soar, pushing wildlife to the limits of their endurance. Yet, life persists. Among the most iconic survivors are the kangaroos, masters of adaptation sculpted by millennia of harsh conditions. Their story is one of resilience, a testament to the power of evolution. From the arid heart of the Outback to the cooler climes of the South, kangaroos have carved their niche. Their adaptations are not merely intriguing biological quirks. They are the keys to their survival in a land where nature shows no mercy. This is a journey into their world, a closer look at the remarkable strategies that enable these creatures to thrive in the face of adversity. We will delve into the fascinating interplay of physical prowess, behavioral ingenuity, and physiological wonders that set kangaroos apart. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind their enduring success in the land of extremes. Kangaroos are instantly recognizable. Their powerful hind legs, long tails, and upright stance are emblems of Australia itself. But these features are far more than just distinctive traits. They are the tools of survival, honed by generations of evolution. The kangaroo's hop is a marvel of efficiency, allowing them to cover vast distances with minimal energy expenditure. Their muscular tails act as a counterbalance, providing stability and control as they bound across the landscape. This unique mode of locomotion is perfectly suited to the Australian outback, where sparse vegetation and long distances between resources are the norm. Their thick fur, varying in colour from the iconic red of the red kangaroo to the more subtle greys of their eastern and western cousins, plays a crucial role in temperature regulation. This natural insulation helps them cope with the scorching daytime heat and the surprisingly chilly desert nights. Even their forelimbs, seemingly diminutive compared to their powerful hindquarters, serve a vital purpose. These dexterous limbs are used for foraging, grooming, and even for defense when necessary. Every physical attribute, from their powerful legs to their thick fur, contributes to their survival in this challenging environment. Surviving in the outback requires more than just physical strength. It demands behavioral flexibility. Kangaroos have mastered the art of living in tune with the rhythms of their environment, adapting their behavior to minimize exposure to the harshest conditions. They are primarily crepuscular, meaning they are most active during the cooler hours of dawn and dusk. This strategic timing allows them to avoid the searing heat of the midday sun, conserving precious energy and water. When temperatures soar, kangaroos seek refuge in the shade of trees or rocky outcrops, taking advantage of any available shelter. These periods of rest are crucial for thermoregulation, allowing them to cool down and avoid heat stress. They also engage in a fascinating behavior known as licking their forearms. The evaporation of saliva from their skin provides a cooling effect similar to sweating in humans. This ingenious technique helps them regulate their body temperature even in the most oppressive heat. And while they may seem solitary, many kangaroo species are highly social animals, living in groups known as mobs. Section 4. Inner Workings, Physiological Marvels. The harsh realities of the outback have driven the evolution of equally remarkable physiological adaptations in kangaroos. These internal mechanisms are essential for their survival, allowing them to thrive in an environment where resources are scarce and conditions are unforgiving. One of their most impressive adaptations is their ability to conserve water. Kangaroos can go for extended periods without drinking, obtaining most of their moisture from their diet of vegetation. Their kidneys are highly efficient, producing concentrated urine to minimize water loss. Their digestive system is another marvel of adaptation. Kangaroos possess a specialized stomach with multiple chambers, similar to that of a cow. This unique digestive system allows them to extract the maximum amount of nutrients from their often tough and fibrous diet. The fermentation process in their gut breaks down cellulose, making otherwise indigestible plant matter a valuable source of sustenance. Furthermore, kangaroos have a relatively low metabolic rate compared to other mammals of similar size. This means they require less energy to survive, a crucial adaptation in an environment where food and water can be scarce. In times of extreme drought or heat, they can even enter a state of torpor, further reducing their metabolic rate and conserving precious resources. Section 5, a closer look. Kangaroos in action. To truly appreciate the remarkable adaptations of kangaroos, we must observe them in their natural habitat. Take, for instance, the red kangaroo, the largest of all kangaroo species. Inhabiting the arid and semi-arid regions of Central Australia, this iconic species embodies resilience. Their large size and efficient hopping allow them to cover vast distances in search of the sparse vegetation and waterholes that sustain them. Then there's the eastern grey kangaroo, found along the more temperate eastern and southern parts of Australia. While not facing the same extreme aridity as their red cousins, they still rely heavily on behavioural thermoregulation. Observing them seeking shade during the hottest parts of the day, or licking their forearms to stay cool, provides a glimpse into the daily challenges they face. The western grey kangaroo, inhabiting the southern regions, showcases yet another facet of kangaroo adaptation. They have a more robust build compared to their eastern counterparts, a possible adaptation to the denser vegetation and varied terrain of their habitat. Have you enjoyed the video? Hit the like button and subscribe. We bring you fresh, exciting content all the time. Thanks for your support.